How to use the Rainbow Family Set? Let's see. This set includes 12 Zodiac, Rainbow, and Sea Sun model. First, make sure each connector is firmly attached to each mat. Next, plug in the control box, which is the same for all models. Press the blue button in the center to turn on. There are two options, manual mode and automatic mode. In manual mode, you can choose both temperature and time. Press the plus button on the right once to set the time. Set the auto shut off from 1 to 12 hours. For nighttime use, we recommend starting with 3 hours at 45 Celsius. If your body becomes more accustomed and you want higher heat, use manual mode up to 70 Celsius. If you prefer automatic settings, simply turn on and press the sleep mode button. Sleep mode is preset to 3 hours at 45 Celsius. If you want to detox, press the button below. Detox mode is preset to 2 hours at 55 Celsius. After 1 hour of sweating, you may take a shower. The system will continue auto self-cleaning for another hour. Using all three mats is the recommended setup for Rainbow family to help release waste more easily. Place the rainbow mat on the bottom as the base layer and the half moon pillar on top of the mat like this. The first row of the mat should align with the shoulders. Next, place the 12 Zodiac mat on top of half moon pillar so it curves naturally to the neck. You may start lying face down or face up for evening time, starting by lying face down for 30 minutes. For uterine discomfort, you can slide a buckwheat pillow or a half moon pillow under the lower abdomen. Then, simply lie down like this. The upper neck area while resting on the 12 Zodiac, helping release tension in the front of the neck. Turn the head gently left and right 5 to 10 minutes per side. Then turn over and lie on your back so the back muscles can fully relax. To help sweat faster and to create a sensation like a luxury sand bath at home. Place the Sea Sun on top of the body. On days when you talk a lot, use your voice heavily, have a cough, a cold, or feel unwell, I recommend folding the Sea Sun and placing it on the front of the neck. If you feel bloated, have abdominal discomfort, or leg fatigue, slide the Sea Sun to the area you need. For more sweating, you can turn on the air conditioner but cover your body with a light blanket to prevent heat from escaping. With heat from both top and bottom, you can sleep comfortably even with air conditioning or a fan on. For the 12 Zodiac, recommended temperatures from 45 to 55 Celsius or up to 60 depending on individual tension levels. If you feel too hot, you can lower the temperature. For people with a slimmer body, may prefer lower settings. For those with a fuller body, temperatures of 55 to 60 or even 70 can be used safely. If body weight is higher, I recommend using a moderate temperature and extending the session time instead. Allow the heat to enter gently and deeply until sweating begins. Every time you use the mats, drink 2 cups of water at room temperature or warm before and after session. If your body feels very tight, I recommend heating first, allowing sweat to appear, then stretching afterward. This helps reduce the risk of inflammation. If your goal is fat burning, you may stretch or exercise first, then use the heat afterward to help sweat and burn fat more efficiently. For lower body issues like swollen legs or leg pain, combine the rainbow with the Sea Sun mat along the legs and feet. For knee pain, turn slightly to the side and wrap heat around the knee area. For leg swelling, you can apply heat from both top and bottom. You may switch to 12 Zodiac mat for targeted compression depending on your discomfort area. For the abdomen, I strongly recommend using top and bottom compression to activate energy flow, main meridian lines, and allow the abdomen, neck, shoulders, and legs to relax much faster. This set is fully adjustable, can be used for sitting or combined with the rainbow for full body heat comfort that is similar to a private sand bath at home. Sleep questions? DM now!